Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It's Tablescape time. Oh yes, Tablescape. And this is a lemon tablescape I put together for you to inspire you to think out of the box how you can make a budget-friendly tablescape. Most of the items on this table I've already had. They've been written off past posts. The only things that are new on this post are the lemon placemats, the lemon plates, and 2 lemon salad plates. This brings the total of this tablescape to $8. Everything else Grandma has had for a while. I hope you enjoy a simple tablescape with a lemon theme. You know Grandma only does tablescapes for two, and Grandma loves to do simple. And this is very simple but nice. The plates, the napkins, the placemats, all of it came from Dollar Tree. That's how I was able to buy all of it for $8. Because Grandma does tablescapes for two. The lemon themes look so beautiful. The plates look like your mouth could water. They look so real. I will say one thing about Dollar Tree. They get so many beautiful things if you just go there and look. I've been collecting lemon themes for a while, and I will keep adding until I get all that they have. But I thought it turned out pretty good. Their pieces match beautifully and they look gorgeous. Let me know what you thought about the lemon plates. I know a lot of the creators have bought these plates and have showed them in different ways. That is the great thing about watching all of us creators out there. We can have the exact same pieces and still have something different to look at, and how we all put everything together a little differently. And of course, you guys know I am collecting Mackenzie Childs now, and also inspirational pieces. So the big teapot or the kettle, I put a flower arrangement in with some lemons. The smaller one is a teapot for one, and the little birdhouse is an inspired piece. So you're going to be seeing a lot of Mackenzie Childs pieces on my displays from now on, and inspired pieces. And because Grandma has to live on a budget, you're going to see them done different ways and be reused a lot. That's how I can afford to buy some beautiful pieces. And that's what we should all think about. Buy a few good quality pieces to go with our Dollar Tree pieces. This worked out really nice. As you see, the actual place settings were Dollar Tree, but the centerpiece was Mackenzie Childs and inspirational pieces. So we brought a few really beautiful classic pieces in here, and we used quite a few inexpensive pieces too. And Grandma reuses all of her stuff multiple times in a month, so you get lots of different choices and ideas how to redo these things without spending money. Once I buy it, I reuse it and reuse it. And I just want to share with you how beautiful everything can look with just a little bit of inspiration and a little bit of time. You don't have to go out and spend a fortune to have a beautiful table set up. This could be used for a nice little luncheon with a best friend or company for dinner. It's a beautiful setup for spring or summer. And the best part of all, each place setting was only $4. So even if you wanted to do a tablescape for 4, that still would only be $16. So that really was not an expensive setup. And of course the silverware is my everyday silverware, and I just used some glasses that I already had. So there was no expense for those either. And of course you guys all know that Grandma's trying to cut down on eating sweets, so I have a lot of artificial donuts, pastries on this table. But the great thing about it, once you buy it, you can reuse it and reuse it. And it looks great for doing tablescapes and gives people inspiration on what you can do. Now, you could use those as salad plates or you could use them as bread plates. I was just showing you different options you could do. I could have stacked those salad plates on my dinner plates, but then they would cover up those beautiful lemons and I didn't want to do that. So that's why I set this up the way I did, because I wanted you to see how beautiful those plates were. I really, really love them, and they are so beautiful. So let me know what you thought of how this setup went, if you enjoyed it or not, and what I could have done that you think would have made it look a little better. Just leave it in the comment if you thought it looked pretty good for $8 or if I should have done something a little different. Well, hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please, if you're not following, if you liked what I put together, please think about following me. I would really love to have a few more family members. And I do put up a lot of content, as you see, every single week. There will always be at least 5 to 10 posts. So you're never going to get bored. There's always something different. We always have something interesting to see. And I'm always sharing lots of different content with you. Because Grandma's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. There's always something different all the time on my channel. Well, kisses and hugs to all of you that stayed to the end. I appreciate all the love and support that you have all given me. Thank you so much for all this love. It means the world to me to know you guys all enjoy what I do. Well, Grandma's going to say bye for now. You can watch a few more of the slideshow if you'd like. You know, Grandma loves taking lots of pictures and does lots of content. Until the next time, hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. And I want you to know I love you all and appreciate all the love and support that you all give me every single day. Please have an awesome weekend with your families. Bye-bye for now.